I watched Sikandar on its very first day, but there is an interesting reason why I took 2 extra days to review this film of Salman Bhai. Stay till the end to find out not just the reason, but also an important message that I want to share with all the filmmakers in Hindi cinema. Sikandar. What a film! Every frame, every moment feels just perfect. This time, by March itself, we already have the best film of the year. Isn't that right, Bhaijan? Now, let me tell you the story without spoilers. Oh, wait, who am I kidding? There is no real story to spoil anyway. Bhaijan is back, and this time he is Sikandar, the undisputed king of Rajkot. Why? Because the script says so. He has a perfect life with his wife, Sai Sri, played by Rashmika Mandana, whose Hindi is as fluent as Gulzar Saab and Javed Akhtar Saab. Then a tragedy strikes, and she dies. But wait, instead of mourning, the plot takes a masala twist, and her organs are donated to 3 random people, making them walking plot devices. Now, a villainous minister suddenly decides that these organ recipients must die. Why? Maybe he is just allergic to happy endings. Enter Bhaijan, who now sees these 3 as his new parivar and goes full on Ekta Tiger mode to protect them. The logic here? As solid as a wet tissue. What follows is Bhaijan's defying physics, single handedly crushing goons who attack him one by one. Because, of course, they do. And delivering dialogues with the intensity of a man who knows he is getting a slow motion entry every 10 minutes. In the end, justice is served. The villain meets a fate worse than bad writing, and Baijan walks away, proving that no matter the plot, Sikandar is just another chapter in his legend. When it comes to performances, well, there isn't much to discuss. Acting? Barely. The male and female leads alone are enough to sink the entire film, leaving the rest of the cast with absolutely nothing to salvage. If anything is to be dealt, their presence ensures the film's downfall at the box office. Meet Mr. A.R. Murugdas, the director who once gave occasional blockbuster hits like Gajani and Katti, now the mastermind behind Sikandar. I honestly don't know what happens to these filmmakers when they get a big budget. Do they lose their storytelling instincts along with the script? Whatever the case, this one is an absolute disaster. As I mentioned earlier, the reason I took 2 days to review this film was simple. I was desperately trying to find some positive aspects in the film to say. Finally, that didn't happen. So I decided to just spill everything on my mind in this review. If you're interested in knowing my honest message to Hindi filmmakers, subscribe. My next video will be about that. Also, check out the video I made 4 months ago, where I explained exactly how and why Hindi cinema has lost its way. Sikandar earns 1 star out of 5 for making me laugh in the theaters for Baijan's action and a happy long interval. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button for quick notifications. Thank you.